Alright, so every time I change my spark plug I like to check the gap. So I just want to make sure, because you never know. And the gapping for this Toyota Sienna 3.5 liter V6 is 0.044 a thousandth of an inch. So so this is actually 0.043 tau, and even this it's a little bit tight. It won't go in. See, even the original spark plug also not going in. So this is really tight, so we're gonna have to adjust this. Okay, so to adjust the spark plug, here's what I do. You see small pliers here, and kind of bend it a little bit like so, and try to measure it. It's about right. You gotta make sure that your filler gauge is completely clean. So there you go. It's a little bit loose, but it should be good, because the other one, it won't even go in, the original, like this one here. Yeah, this one kind of go in, but pretty much. So let's adjust this a little bit. You gotta be careful with this thing not to bend too much. There you go. Yeah. That should be good. So this one here, just about right. This one is a little bit loose. So if you bend this thing a little bit more, so all what I have, I 3D print this. So all I have to do is just put it in here, and then kind of crank this. And that should get me to where I want to be. Yeah, perfect tool, 3D print tool.